in the trap. Everybody, oh, kill the pastor. The pastor will get jungle justice if he got pussy for life. It's only called rape because it's statutory rape, meaning she did underage. But based on that video when me see, she was 14. She gave full consent and she had drawn on the pastor upon her and she had tried to kiss him and the camera was there. The camera was there. Them know the camera there, she know and him know. You understand? So, me I say, she forget ridicule, the child, the 14-year-old, Zane, and her mother, her parents, forgot jail as well. Because them never yet, there's no evidence and no report ever make at the station. You understand what I say? And no time. Zane? So, Shadi and 89, what you say foot and know about? What you say, right? What you say? The video there, the camera, they were like, it's not on the dresser or the bed, and the two of them are work. And the girl now put up no resistance. She actually a woman out. It look like the pastor can't even manage her. You understand what I say? It look like the pastor can't even manage her. You see me so? Me, I wonder where's the mother in all of this? Yes, the pastor forgot jail. The mother forgot jail too. Yeah? Because remember this, you know. Any of the police, them never suspiciously gonna check the car. We wouldn't know nothing about this. And the first, him do it to the bigger sister and brother. Him do it to the middle-aged sister. And then come do it to the smaller sister. No? And the mother know about all of that. And never yet say no. You understand what I say, dog? So, here the pastor ran, but the mother ran too. And the little girl ran too. You're 14, if your mother force you to fuck the pastor, and you're not up to it, you're ball and go tell your auntie, go tell your father, go tell your grandfather, run to the station. You understand us? You know what I say? So, they blame nothing true on the pastor alone, like what Shara said. You understand? Because we never hear no rape ball out, you know, run out of the car with your brassiere tear off or your jaws tear off or nothing like that. Yo, they are drawn up the pastor by you. You understand what I say? So, it all have to do with the parents, because some of them mama you love sell them daughter. Them sell them daughter to Dan and Money Man and Pastor. Once you have little butter, them licky. Yeah, uniqueness. Them licky bad. You understand? You know, we growing to get her, we know mother. We live so, we do so. My mother never one of them mother there. My sister couldn't ramp. You're crazy. Not even my cousin there, my mother kicked down. You're mad. You understand what I say? Yes, the pastor rang enough. Him rang enough. But me know man when a pastor neither, you know. But from the 14-year-old them big in her body and look away him and fuck them too, you know. You understand what I say? So, you understand what I say? And if the mama I push her up certain way, remember, she push up